A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a legal process where you petition the federal bankruptcy court in Denver, Colorado to issue an order discharging your debts. With a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, what you do is get on a payment plan where you make payments to the court for 3 to 5 years. At the end of your case, you get a discharge and discharge the debt that's not paid. The payment plan is based on your individual budget. So we go through your income and your expenses and document all of your income. We document your expenses and we figure out exactly what you can afford to pay. First, you set aside money to cover your monthly expenses. So you set aside money for your house payment and your car payment, food and clothing. We set aside money to pay your income taxes, your retirement funds. We set aside money for your children, for their education and their needs, for medical expenses. Then after all those expenses are budgeted for and planned for, the money that's left over, if there's any money left over, gets paid to your creditors. Immediately when you file Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you get the protection of a court order called the automatic stay. And this means that all of your creditors immediately have to stop trying to collect money from you. So they can't sue you, they can't garnish your wages, they can't put liens on your house, they can't put any liens on your bank accounts or seize your bank accounts. They just have to stop collecting money from you. Bankruptcy is not always the answer for all people. When you meet with me, I will go through your options with you and help you make an informed decision as to what works best for you and your family. Usually when people contact our office, they have let their financial situation go on far too long, and they are very stressed out and very anxious, very nervous about reaching out to an attorney and seeking the help that they need. What we do is we give you a clear plan and show you what can be. We show you the way your life can be in the future, not the way that it's been in the past, and it doesn't have to be that way. You can change. You can get rid of these debts that are plaguing you. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy, mistakes in preparing your petition and your payment plan can be very costly. The court appoints an attorney to your case called the Chapter 13 bankruptcy trustee. And the bankruptcy trustee's job is to try to collect as much money for your creditors as possible. So if you're not working with an attorney, your plan is very likely to fail, and you're very likely to have to overpay your creditors and make commitments to make payments that you can't afford. I've been working on Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases for about 10 years. During that time, we've filed approximately 100 Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases. Our law firm is different from other firms because we handle your entire case for a flat fee. When you work with us, you get individualized attention, and we care about our clients. We want to see you succeed and help you move through a very stressful time in your life. We'll give you the support that you need to turn your finances around. At an initial strategy session with my firm, I will meet with you and go through your financial picture. We look in detail at the property that you own, the debts that you have, and your income and your expenses, so that I can give you options so that you can make the best decision moving forward as to how you're going to help yourself and your family.